Hi all, welcome to my channel and wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. So in this new year we are going to start off with a very interesting video. As we all know, Motilal Oswal does their wealth creation study every year uh, and will publish a set of 30 stocks in which they categorize it as top 10 biggest wealth creators, then 10 biggest and 10 fastest wealth creators, and most consistent wealth creating stocks. So this is their 24th year. So for past 24 years they are doing this, and this is their 24th year of wealth creation study. So the next three videos are the continuation of the wealth creation study itself. So in this part one is we're going to check out which are those top 10 biggest wealth creators which Motilal Oswal and Raamdeo Agrawal and their team feels is the biggest wealth creator. So we'll get in and see which are those and a quick review of it. And if at all you all want to know what is wealth creation and everything, you all can check out my previous year's video where I would have explained their wealth creation study. So let's get started. So the stock prices as of 30th December 2019. First one in the list is Reliance Industries. Its current share price is 1534 rupees. The 52-week low is 1081, whereas the high is 1617. The industry PE is 19, whereas the company PE is 26. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 0.62. The TTM EPS is 70. The promoter holding is 48%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 51,075 crores by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 37%, for 3 years 42%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 28%. The next one in the list is HDFC Bank. Its current share price is 1279 rupees. The 52-week low is 1011, whereas the high is 1305. The industry PE is 40, whereas the company PE is 30. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 7.03. The TTM EPS is 44. Promoter holding is 21%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 81,737 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 21%, for 3 years 29%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 21.84%. Next one in the list is TCS, which is Tata Consultancy Services. Its current share price is 2,187 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,008, where the 52-week high is 2,296. The industry PE is 22.81, whereas the company PE is 25. The PB is 10. The ROCE is 47, whereas the debt to equity is 0.07. The TTM EPS is 86. Promoter holding is 72%. 22,055 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 15%, for 3 years 23%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 11%. So next one in the list is Hindustan Unilever. Its current share price is 1,933 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,650, whereas the high is 2,190. The industry PE is 59, whereas the company PE is 64. The PB is 55. The ROCE is 116, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 30. The promoter holding is 67%. 10,867 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns For 1 year, it has given us a return of 7%. For 3 years, 34%. And for 5 years, it has given us a return of 21%. Next one on the list is HDFC, which is Housing Development Finance Corporation. Its current share price is 2,424 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,820, whereas the high is 2,459. The industry PE is 26, whereas the company PE is 34. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 2.17. The TTM EPS is 122. There is no promoter holding, it is 0 here. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 36,425 crores and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 25.41%, for 3 years 25.65%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 16.95%. Next one on the list is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its current share price is 1,689 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,198, whereas the high is 1,734. The industry PE is 40, whereas the company PE is 56. The PB is 7. The ROCE is 7.92, whereas the debt to equity is 5. TTM EPS is 43. Promoter holding is 29%. 26,958 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 35%, for 3 years, 33%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 21%. Next one on the list is Bajaj Finance. Its current share price is 4,259 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,355, whereas the high is 4,281. The industry PE is 39, whereas the company PE is 55. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 13, whereas the debt to equity is 3.69. The TTM EPS is 80. Promoter holding is 56%. 18,799 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 64%, for 3 years, 73%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 65%. Next one on the list is Infosys. Its current share price is 732 rupees. The 52-week low is 615, whereas the high is 847. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 32, whereas the debt to equity is 0.07. The TTM EPS is 35. The promoter holding is 13%. 41,080 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 12%, for 3 years, 13%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 8%. Next one on the list is Maruti Suzuki. Its current share price is 7,369 rupees. The 52-week low is 5,446, whereas the high is 7,758. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 36. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 202. The promoter holding is 56%. 12,171 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. The 1 year return is negative, which is minus 2%. The 3 and 5 year returns are positive. For 3 years, it has given us a return of 12%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 17%. Next one and the last one is Axis Bank. Its current share price is 754 rupees. The 52-week low is 603, whereas the high is 827. The industry PE is 40, whereas the company PE is 48. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 5, whereas the debt to equity is 10.50. The TTM EPS is 18. The promoter holding is 16%. 38,264 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 23%, for 3 years 20%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 8%. So these are the 10 biggest wealth creators which was listed in the 24th Wealth Creation Study by Motilal Oswal. So these are the biggest wealth creators as per Motilal Oswal, and feel that like going forward, these 10 stocks will remain for us to give us very good bigger returns, so that we grow by investing and grow by returns also. So this new year, let's start investing more. Let's expect the market to go good, and let's expect good returns. So in going forward, I would be posting next two videos which is associated with the wealth creation video itself, where I will be listing out the 10 fastest wealth creators and the most consistent wealth creators. So, if you all have not checked out my last year's, that is 23rd wealth creation, uh, biggest, fastest, and most consistent wealth creating stocks, please check out that video. I would link it in the end. So, as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.